All right, let's get the elephant out of the room immediately with regards to licensing and pricing so that you know what to expect from Monkey Tools and how we do business. So the first thing to know about our licenses is that they are issued on a named user basis. So for each person that acquires a Monkey Tool license, we will then allow you to install Monkey Tools on up to 3 of your computers. Why 3? Well, chances are probably pretty good that you're going to be using Monkey Tools on your work PC. So we want you to be able to install it there so you have access to it. But we also know that work sometimes tends to come home, and it's really helpful to have the same tools you use at work installed at home. So Monkey Tools can also be installed on your home PC as one of your 3 licenses. Chances are also pretty good in this day and age that you've got a laptop that you take on vacation, and who wouldn't want to work on Excel files on vacation? So why not allow you to install Monkey Tools on that laptop as well so that you have the tools where you work when you need them. And that's the philosophy that we're really working behind here, is making sure that they're available to you as the purchaser when required. If you're a consultant working on a client site, can you install it on your client's network? Sure, absolutely. It just counts towards one of your licenses. And when you're gone, you probably want to clean that off. All right, so that's our licensing model. Let's talk about our pricing. Now, we have 3 different tiers that we have in our pricing. The first one is completely free. No credit card needed. Download the add-in, install it, away you go. It updates just the same as any other version of Monkey Tools, has a bunch of free features in here that you can use that we hope will actually encourage you to keep Monkey Tools installed on your PC. I'm a Microsoft MVP, and part of the MVP award cycle is based on what we actually provide to the community. And this is just one of the ways that I contribute. Now, the next tier, of course, is a trial license. Now, we all hate those companies when you try to sign up for a trial license that asks for your credit card up front, and then if you forget to cancel the trial, they automatically start billing you. I don't do that. I despise that. So we're not even setting up our system to allow that. I don't take your credit card at all, so I can't bill you if you decide, hey, this isn't for me. Instead, what we do is, after the 2 weeks, if you haven't decided to purchase a license, it just reverts to a free license. And away you go. We hope at that point in time, you'll have found enough features in the regular old plain free Monkey Tools that you still want to keep it installed. On the other hand, if you decide to, you think, hey, these features are pretty useful, you can always buy a Pro license, which will unlock all of those features. There's a couple of different methods that we do with this. You can do a monthly, you can do an annual subscription, whatever you like to use. But the key thing that I want you to know here is that we can opt in and opt out of that model if you like. If you want to go and try and run it for a couple of months and then opt out because you don't need it and then maybe come back for an annual license later on, by all means, go ahead and do it. It's totally up to you. My philosophy here is that I want this tool adding value to you, and I want you to feel that that subscription is worthwhile. Remember, for all of the pricing options, you can go and you can check out the website at monkeytools.ca. They're all listed there in plain and simple English because it's important to me that you know exactly what you're getting into. Thanks for watching this episode of Using Monkey Tools. To get your own monkey, visit our website at monkeytools.ca. Or if you subscribe to Skillwave's Self-Service Business Intelligence Academy, you'll get a free annual Pro license included with your subscription. And remember, Monkey Tools was developed to support better Excel and Power BI solutions. If you want to learn how to really master these tools, you should definitely check out our full course catalog at skillwave.training.